In order to be successful in the game of seduction, it is important to be able to read the signs that women give off when they are interested in you. Unfortunately, many men are clueless when it comes to reading the signs that women give off, and as a result, they often miss out on opportunities to score with beautiful women. The good news is that you don't have to be one of those guys. If you know what to look for, it is actually quite easy to tell when a woman is interested in you. Here are some of the most common signs that women give off when they are trying to seduce you. 1. She tries to make physical contact. When it comes to seduction, body language often speaks louder than words. Pay attention to how a woman acts when she's around you, and you might just pick up on subtle signs that she's interested. Does she grab onto you? Is she always trying to brush against you? These are all signs she may be trying to make physical contact with you. She'll move closer to you and touch your arm, shoulder, or hand during conversations. These touches will be light and brief, but if it feels like there's electricity between the two of you, then it's likely a sign that she's attracted to you. If she's making more physical contact than usual, giving big hugs when saying goodbye, or smiling at your jokes with a twinkle in her eye, all these little things should give it away that she's trying her best to attract your attention. So, if you're looking for signs of seduction in a woman, don't overlook physical contact. It can often reveal a lot about how someone is feeling. 2. She gives you her undivided attention. One thing you should keep an eye out for is the amount of attention she's giving you. If she's giving you her full attention, like leaning in when you're talking and making eye contact, then that's a huge sign that she might be into you. It's even more telling if she makes conversation with you even when other people are around. It shows that she doesn't care who notices and wants to make sure her interest in you is known. You've probably experienced this yourself. When someone is romantically interested in you, they'll often do their best to pretend the rest of the world doesn't exist. This could mean they'll ask your opinion on things they generally wouldn't ask anyone else's opinion about, or try to get into deep conversations with you. All these are indications that she values your opinion and really cares about getting to know every single detail about your life. If a woman is constantly paying attention and taking interest in what you have to say, then there's a high chance that she might be trying to seduce you. 3. She flirts with you. One of the easiest ways for a woman to let you know that she's interested is by flirting with you. This could be something as simple as making eye contact and smiling, or as overt as going out of her way to make physical contact with you. She might even compliment your clothes or give you a little extra attention around other people. It can be hard to tell if someone is flirting, but it should definitely feel like they're trying to connect on a deeper level than just as friends. If she's giving you more than surface-level interaction, this could be another sign that she's trying to seduce you. So pay attention to how she's communicating with you. Words, body language, and expression all have a part to play in sending the message that she's interested. You should also take the context of your situation into consideration before making any decisions about her intentions. 4. She's always fixing her hair or makeup around you. It's true, women are extra aware of their looks and presentation when they're interested in someone. So if you start to notice she's always touching up her hair, adding a coat of lipstick, or fluffing her shirt to show off her curves when you're around, it could be a subtle sign she's trying to seduce you. Plus, she may even take it one step further. Has she been talking about how much she appreciates your opinion on haircuts or makeup? Or maybe she's been asking you what looks good on her. These are all hints that she wants you to see her as attractive. It never hurts to give her some compliments here and there. Tell her how beautiful she looks with or without makeup and show her that your interest isn't only physical. She'll be grateful for the recognition, and it could help take your relationship to the next level. 5. She privately asks you out. One subtle sign she's trying to seduce you is that she privately asks you out. This could be in the form of getting drinks after work, going for a walk, or anything else involving just the two of you. She might make it sound casual and not too intense, but it's an invitation all the same. This is your chance to take control and make sure whatever date you've decided on fits into your schedule. Plan accordingly, and don't be afraid to add a little bit of romance if that feels right for the situation. In conclusion, trying to pick up on a woman's romantic intentions can be complicated, but there are some subtle signs that can help reveal a woman's true feelings. To sum up, watch out for her body language around you and her tendency to initiate physical contact. She may also make continuous eye contact, touch her hair, or send you flirty looks or messages. Paying attention to these signs can help you determine if a woman is interested in you or if you're just reading too much into the situation.